Little skeet in second gear. Nice. There's nothing like an orange Charger. Now, if Catherine Bach had come by, that'd be great. But, it was too many years ago. Jake has no idea who that is. So as you're editing it, Jake, go ahead and look up Catherine Bach. Wow, it sounds good. Man. Sounds good. Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this nice, subtly colored car is a 1970 Dodge Charger 500. It's got a 383 numbers matching motor. It does not have a numbers matching transmission, but who cares? It's an automatic, a 727 TorqueFlite. It has got some highway gears on her. She's orange with the beautiful stripe in the back with black interior. It's a console car. I love bucket seats. Everyone should.
Yeah, console is better than column shifted. Everyone knows that.
Everybody and their brother.
And the bucket seats are nice. You got the big wooden steering wheel with all the gauges back there, of course.
Yes, they're aftermarket, but they're nice.
Got Charger badges on both sides. The awesome filler cap.
Yes,
One of my favorite parts about these Mopars.
Oh.
Look at that. And I just filled it with gas, so we should be good.
You have the keys?
I do have the keys. But we also have the big stripe on the back that you were saying. And recently, we took the wing off of it.
Yes.
It looked weird with the wing, I agree. We put the stripe on instead. It looks sleek now. I like it. I like it a lot.
Did you hear that, everybody? He likes the wing off of it. Interesting.
I know you like it, Chris, because you don't like wings on cars.
Hate them.
And he also doesn't know which key to use in a Mopar.
It's got to be this one.
He's still learning, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. Two round ones. I picked this round one. Oh, it's got the gear and everything. Spare tire, beautiful neck here. It wasn't originally a light gold colored car, but obviously they made it a beautiful orange.
There's the filler neck and the tool as well.
I love the tools.
Beautiful, beautiful restoration on this thing. I love the taillights on this year Charger.
Of course.
Very awesome. Big wide hips on this car.
Yes.
There's 500 as it says on the back.
The 1970s, big cars.
Beautiful door panels, beautiful interior.
Love the interior.
There's that.
It is new, by the way. We just put that in.
Console shifter.
Love it.
Nice dashboard, no cracks or anything. You want to pop the hood first?
I do. It's a two-part process, as Jake the Snake told me. There's a little indentation right here. You just pull it to the left, or to the right. Then you put your finger under here. Ta-da! They did a great job on this car. They put it back together, did a nice paint. I mean, look at it.
Oh, this is a 383?
It is a 383 numbers matching engine.
It sounds fantastic, by the way.
Well, then we'll have to find that out now, won't we?
A lot of orange on this car. Even the engine's painted orange, but that's okay.
That's all right.
Orange is cool.
Dodge stuff, right?
Very Dodge stuff. Very 70s stuff.
Very.
I'm ready to hear it. How about you?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm really ready.
All right, let's drive it then.
Let's go.
Here's your microphone.
Oh, thank you.
The nice thing about this being such a big car is that I can fit in here with this massive gimbal and still have plenty of room. Oh, big doors too.
Big doors, big Dodge, 383.
Big Dodge, big doors, big car, big engine.
Great horn.
Great horn, big horn.
Can't miss it.
But not foghorn leghorn.
No, that's a whole different cartoon.
Yes.
And they sure did love the Looney Tunes, those crazy guys at Mopar. with their road runners and such.
They did. This one's not a road runner, but road runners are very cool with the little beep beep horn.
Beep beep.
But this 383 sounds fantastic.
Yeah, it does.
And how can you beat an orange 70 Charger?
You can't. You can't.
I feel like Bo Duke.
Bo and Luke Duke. Gotta love them. Now, this is kind of a cool instrumentation panel.
Yes.
Where it lacks in a tachometer, it has a clock with a ticking hand that works, Jake.
Oh, look at that, a working clock, and then you have all these other gauges over here.
Aren't they fun?
For like coolant temp and oil pressure and stuff, although we do have another coolant temp gauge down there, so I guess it's been moved.
Funny story, though, that temp works.
Oh, the factory one works?
And that one doesn't, so I don't know why it's even there.
Oh, we could probably just take that off.
Why don't we just throw it away? Oh, come along, peoples.
Yeah, a fair amount of traffic for the middle of the day. We do have a radio as well.
Oh, we do, aftermarket action.
Right there in the middle. It's aftermarket? Oh, nice. You got a little upgrade then. And then there's the buttons for your wipers and your washers. There on the dash. Here we go. Oh, listen to it.
Oh, it's got a 4-barrel. It was born with a 2-barrel. I like a 4-barrel better.
Yeah, a 4-barrel really wakes it up.
Oh, yeah.
You kind of need the 4-barrel.
But listen how quiet it gets when it gets into the upper third gear. It's got such nice highway gears. It's a cruiser, man.
There's the console shifter down there.
Gotta love.
With the little knob with the button on it. Very cool. Big old orange hood, too.
Oh, and I like the headlights. Those hideaway headlights.
Yeah, those were so cool.
Yeah.
And they go really fast.
Do they? Good.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure. I didn't see it.
I'm assuming they're electric.
Boogie, woogie, woogie.
Woogie, woogie, woogie.
I'll have to check that out.
Nice horns. Big steering wheel, by the way.
Big steering wheel.
Massive wheel.
Massive.
But you gotta love that in an old car. Big old steering wheel. Oh, the brakes.
Brakes straight.
The brakes are good. And
there are power brakes, but they're drum, but it's okay. They're power.
But it went dead straight, you're right.
It did. I love that.
All the interior lights work too. When you open the doors, these dome lights down here on the console turn on.
Gotta love that.
This one turns on.
Oh, look at this.
Very nice headliner.
These aren't droopy.
And we do have the little clips up here for the shoulder belt, but there's no belts mounted right now. But I'm sure you could mount belts, but you don't need more than a lap belt.
Nah. You're good.
People got through the 70s just fine.
Look at us. We're alive.
Well, I wasn't there, but you were.
I was. It was fun. I remember when they made us put seat belts on.
Oh, look at that.
Uh-oh.
There's an ashtray down there in the middle.
And it appears people smoked in it at one point in their lives.
This is a cigarette lighter for you kids at home, in case you want to take up smoking. But don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes. And this car will easily smoke its tires.
Oh, yes.
With this
highway
big
gears are not.
383.
There's a lot going on here.
Yeah, there's plenty of power happening, so it would not have a problem.
Boy, it drives nice.
I love the view out the hood.
What I like is, man, these Mopars, they really grow on me. They're very comfortable to drive.
Oh, they're huge.
They're just, you know, the Mustangs are nice, but they're very light, and you can feel it. This car,
this
just cruises.
Eats the bumps up.
Love it.
Very nice.
And it looks great, and I know it looks great.
Does that Mazda have an LED light in its badge that's...
it's sparkly.
Or, yeah, it's just sparkly paint. That's weird.
Crazy. A lot of SUVs. This car is bigger than SUVs.
This hood also has the little blinker lights in the hood scoops. I don't know if you can see them from the camera.
I can see mine.
Oh, I can see yours.
Can you see that one?
Yeah, I can. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on camera.
Could be a bulb, yeah. Sorry, it's a real bright out here today. We just had a little rain shower because it's Missouri and we can have snow.
Do the right one again?
I'll do the right one.
I don't know if you can see that or not. It's very dim.
I don't want to
I'm sure at night it'd be much more visible.
Yeah,
but they do work. I can attest. I saw them with my own 2 eyes.
Hey, he's got 2 eyes, folks. Gotta listen to him.
And they're not colorblind like his.
Who can't tell a thing.
Although he's blue-green colorblind, so you can see this orange just fine, right?
Sure. Oh, I know it's orange. If this isn't orange, then I don't know what's going on. Can't be red either.
This thing makes such cool noises, too.
Yeah, it does.
And it has big back seats.
For real people.
For real-life people.
A full-size Gary Sinise right back there, no problem.
Oh, yeah. You can fit all of your adult friends in these back seats.
Won't be hard for Jake. He's got like one.
Hey. Well, I'm barely an adult, so.
That's true.
I'm only 25.
Jeez.
This van has its hatch open.
It does.
He's transporting valuable goods, I guess.
Something too big. Oh, of course. Why wouldn't they?
Here we go.
Speed test action.
Oh, second gear. Oh, my goodness.
Okay. Well, that's nice.
It's not slow.
It's unslow, ladies and gentlemen.
You know,
unslow.
it's not the fastest thing ever with those highway gears,
What?
but it just means you get to listen to it for longer.
And that's true.
So that's actually a plus.
I'm thinking it's a plus.
Because it sounds absolutely incredible.
Look at what they're doing.
I just wish that I wasn't inside of it so I could see it coming by.
Oh, don't you worry. I'm going to see it coming by. You'll have to watch the video.
Yeah, I know.
Look at these guys. Doing
They're
all
working
kinds
on the
of
park.
stuff.
They're putting signs up. They're really moving on that stuff.
Sports Park 360. I don't even understand.
It'll be cool. Maybe.
I know. I just wonder where we're going to go. We'll figure it out, folks. Right now, we're going to stay here until they tell us no.
Yes. All right. I'm ready to do some flybys and hear what this thing sounds like from the outside.
Me too.
You'll be hearing it. I'll hear it later when I edit the video.
You will.
Where's my other?
He's our editor-in-chief.
I am the editor-in-chief.
That is his nickname. Besides Jake the Snake, which
yes.
Everybody named Jake has got to be Jake the Snake. It just makes more sense.
Let's do it.
I can carry it right out here. Hell, I can walk right now.
Chris had to take a phone call, so I'm doing another walk around. Might as well. Show off this gorgeous paint in the sun. I love the chrome on the front of the bumper too. How it wraps around the grill like that. Kind of cool. Mopar did stuff like that. And little faux vents on the side of the doors and on the hood. Just awesome looking. Got the right wheels too. Really sets off the car. And I do like it without the wing. Looks clean. Looks nice. And just listen to it idle. Can't tell me that's not the coolest thing ever. I'll even open the hood while it runs. You guys can hear it from in here. Hood closes great. Nice driver door panel. Beautiful bucket seats. And the back seats, of course, like I was talking about. How nice that closes.
Anyway, beautiful car. Let's get going, buddy. So sorry it took so long. Keep it under 100. Looks good, doesn't it? Wow, it's loud. Really shakes your chest, man. Gets your soul. Ah, that's a nice rumble. And there he goes, ladies and gentlemen. The boy wonder. Little skeet in second gear. Nice. There's nothing like an orange Charger. Now, if Catherine Bach had come by, that'd be great. But that was too many years ago. Jake has no idea who that is. So as you're editing it, Jake, go ahead and look up Catherine Bach. Wow, it sounds good. Man. Sounds good. Man, it's sleek looking.
Well, Chris, does it sound as awesome as it looks?
Yes, it does. It sounds better, actually.
It sounds good from in here. Not a lot of cars we drive sound good from the inside. This sounds good both ways.
It does.
And it's bright orange, so you're not going to get missed by anybody.
I like the little second gear action you got.
I'm not even trying.
I know.
I didn't even use half throttle maybe that entire time. But yeah, this TorqueFlite, or is it a 727 TorqueFlite?
Yeah.
Yes. And this 383, great combination.
Love it.
And it's got highway gear, so you can cruise around,
too.
get decent gas mileage. That's a joke. But it's better than if you had like 410s in it.
Oh my God, yeah.
But
it's
yeah,
undrivable.
this thing's great. And everything works, all the gauges and stuff, it's nice. You ready to go back?
Let's go back.
Let's do it.